Welcome to our tutorial on the analytics section of LikeIT Social. I'm excited to guide you through the process of understanding and utilizing the powerful analytics features available on our platform, so let's dive right in. To access the analytics section, start from the dashboard and navigate to the left-hand menu. Scroll down until you find the analytics option and click on it. This will take you to the overview section where you'll find three key metrics: audience data, impressions data, and engagement data. But before we delve into the specifics of each section, let me introduce you to some filtering procedures that you can use to customize your analytics experience. Firstly, if you want to download graph information, simply go to the menu bar on the chart you wish to download. Here you'll find options to download the data in three different formats: PNG and SVG, which are image formats, and CSV, a comma-separated file format that is useful for exporting data to software like Excel or Google Sheets, where you can create various types of graphics. Secondly, you can filter the analytics data by specific businesses. If you only want to see data for a particular business, click on the business button in the top section. Thirdly, if you'd like to view data for different dates other than the default ones, go to the upper section and you'll find a date picker. Click on the dates you wish to view. Please note that the available data depends on the connection of each business to your plan. Finally, if you want to filter the metrics by different types, you can do so using the Metrics tab in the right-hand menu. This can be done specifically while you're in the section dedicated to a particular social media platform. Now let's explore what data you can find within the overview section. Audience. Understanding your audience size helps you gauge the potential reach of your content and tailor it to their preferences. It allows you to identify trends, behaviors, and demographics. For example, if you have a larger audience on Instagram compared to LinkedIn, you may focus your marketing efforts on Instagram to maximize reach. Impressions. Impressions measure how many times your content has been seen on social media. Analyzing impressions helps you determine content reach and identify resonating content. For instance, if a post has high impressions but low engagement, investigating its content can reveal why it's not resonating with your audience. Engagement. Engagement represents the actions your audience takes in response to your content, like likes, comments, shares, or clicks. Measuring engagement helps identify content types that resonate, allowing you to adjust your strategy. If video content generates more engagement than static images, prioritizing videos can increase engagement. In addition to the overview section, we have specific analytics sections for each social media platform. Facebook. Leverage audience data to identify your ideal customer persona and create targeted ads. Analyze engagement data to understand post performance and the types of content that interest your audience the most. Instagram. Audience insights provide data on demographics, location, and behavior, helping refine your target audience and create effective ad campaigns. Assess impressions to gauge post reach and utilize engagement data to identify resonating content types. YouTube. Gain insights into audience demographics, viewing behavior, and engagement. Use this data to create targeted content and refine marketing strategies. Analyze impressions to determine video reach and identify content types that captivate your audience. TikTok. Analyze follower reach, accumulated likes, and overall activity to understand engagement and make informed content adjustments. Pinterest. Utilize audience data to identify content types that interest your audience and create targeted ads. Measure impressions to gauge pin reach and use engagement data to identify resonating content. LinkedIn. Audience insights provide data on demographics, job titles, and industry, aiding targeted ad campaigns and marketing strategy refinement. Measure impressions to gauge post reach and identify engaging content types. Google My Business. Data on business listings, search appearance frequency, and user engagement helps refine and optimize your listing. Remember, analytics is not just about numbers and graphs, it's about unlocking valuable insights that can drive your social media success. Whether you're leveraging audience data, analyzing impressions, or measuring engagement, each piece of information plays a crucial role in shaping your content strategy and connecting with your target audience effectively. Now it's time for you to dive in and explore the analytics sections for each social media platform. Leverage the specific insights and metrics available to refine your approach, tailor your campaigns, and make data-driven decisions that will lead to even greater success. We're thrilled to have you on this analytics journey, and we're confident that by harnessing the power of data, you'll unlock new opportunities and achieve your social media goals. Best of luck, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any further questions. Happy analyzing.